Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to record your screen on Windows device. If you don't know, I know that most of you guys don't know and are wondering how to record a screen or how to take screenshot. If you don't know how to take screenshot, do check out our video. I've already made a video on that, which will be listed right down in the description box below. So to record your video on Windows, all you gotta do is go to your start button and you'll have Xbox right here. You click on this Xbox game bar. So in this Xbox game bar, you'll see many things such as widget menu, audio, capture, performance, resources, and Xbox social and settings and enable click through. So to screen record something, you gotta click on capture, and this is the bar for capturing your screen. So if you click on this, your starting will begin, your screen will be automatically recorded. We can't record right now because any of the windows must be open or any of the app must be open to record any video. So I'll teach you right now how you can do that. So after you go into a video or you open Chrome and you can go to start and Xbox game bar again. You click on this and your game will be recorded as soon as possible. So there is a shortcut to this as well, which is you can simply click on shift, not shift, Windows plus Alt plus R. So after you click on this on your device, your recording will automatically begin. So I'm recording a video right now, so that video won't be recorded. So this is how you record your screen on Windows. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.